Hey guys, changed out the fuel filter and didn't help. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to drain the tank. I bought myself a tube, a piece of fuel line that I can hook up to directly to the carburetor and try to gravity feed some gas and see if it'll run that way. Then I know I gotta drain the tank. So unfortunately I don't have the time to do it tonight. I gotta get home, but I'll show you what she's doing. She wants to run. That's all I'm getting, guys. So if you have any thoughts, let me know, please. Thanks.